Hey guys, Roman here. Welcome back to another video, and this is my Memorial Day fireworks stash. I went to two places. This is Cannon brand Black Snakes. Got 3 packs of those. I lit a pack. Yeah, can't buy Cannon brand. Shogun fireworks, pops, poppets. Drop it, throw it, step on it, don't, they hurt. Snap it. They're pretty cool. Everyone should know these. Open it. Got the pack. I already have a pack open. Oh, you might have saw that or not. I got 4 packs of those. Opened one. Popped them. Only 2 party pops left. As you can probably see by the mess, my sisters have been popping them everywhere. So, don't have that many left. These noisy boys, I don't know, I think they're like a small fountain. And it must be like loud because they're called noisy boys. The packet broke for them. There are 6 of them in a packet, and a lot of this stuff was buy one get one free, and that was buy one get one free. So I got 2. A lot of small things I just kind of showed you were just like buy 2 for $1.50, get 2 free, or 4. It was 4 for. This is a Black Cat half stick smoking cracker. I don't know if this is just smoke or like a crackling ball or something. I mean, I'll buy a Black Cat. I got this for free at the store that I spent $110. No, $102. It says explosive mixed smoke. So, mixed smoke, probably light that off. So I got these electric sparklers, bamboo stick. But the funny thing is, you might have seen, they're not lighting. If you could tell me why they're not lighting, I'm just put a lighter right against it. And I did it on the side. I held it there for a long time. If you could tell me why these aren't lighting in the comments, just please do, because I just stumped. Got 2 packs of those, buy one get one free, I think, yeah. These are Black Cat. I think they're strobes, but they might be smoke. Because, I mean, there's a bunch of stuff coming off of them. Kind of like colors. So, they're pretty long fuse, so that's caution, flammable. Emits flash of light, so they're strobes. Packet of them in there. Not sure either. I'll open this bag for you. Shogun ground blooms. Oh yeah, these sparklers for Shogun. These were in window fireworks. The noisy weird things. Yeah, I'm trying to remember. They're just ground bloom flowers. Colors, they light it, they spin. Got 2 packs. They're buy one get one free, I think. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 of them in a packet, so that's 12. Should last me. And whatever's left over will be for firework, for for 4th of July. No, I got one M1 Abrams. I'm sorry if I sound sick. I am sick. And Abram tanks. They were $15. And buy one get one free. A lot of it was buy one get one free. So this is our tanks. Pretty neat. They're a little bit bigger than the normal tanks. That's why they're a little bit spendy. Pyro Pyrogrow. Think spins upward and it emits showers of sparks, kind of like the ladybugs and the crystals. They spin and they shoot up in the air. I'm just gonna pause. Yeah, they were also buy one get one free. The second packs right there. Speaking of ladybugs and ladybugs, same thing, spin up in the air. Most of this is safe and sound. Besides this, these Pyrogrows, the ladybugs, the magic crystals. The Pyrogrows are by Brothers, and then these are by Brothers too, and these are also by Brothers. Buy one get one free on those two. Then the shotgun flashing firecrackers, those ones. So this is by Shogun. It's a big brick firecrackers, and I couldn't pass this up. We kind of wanted to go safe and sane, besides the spinners in the air, and it was originally $10, but it's $3. So my dad was like, "Yeah, we're getting those here. I'm gonna pause it and open it." So they're Shogun maximum load fire flashlight crackers. I think they're really bright, and they're probably gonna be like big. 16 pack. So yeah, we're not buy one get one free. That would be crazy. Oh, this is funny. There's a bunch. Oh yeah, that was Shogun. And this is by Canon brand. It happens. It's a fountain. There was a good deal on the fountains, like 12 and $16, and a lot of them were like, if there's one for the same price, you can. If they were buy one get one free, they're like colored by the labels, and if they were the same price, you can get them. You can like get another one that's the same price, and you get that one for $1. It wasn't for free; it was $1. So my mom thought snakes were gonna come out of here, but it's a funny one. Lucky Star. Yep, that's a fountain. Lion Dance fountain by Canon brand, and Lucky Stars by Brothers, and then On the Roll by Brothers, and then by Hot Little Fountain. I don't know why, but I have a just really good feeling about this. And it was $13. By Pyro, always the best king. Pyro King, always the best. Then there's these Black Cat Super Soldiers. I don't know what they do, but looks like they have two spinners. And then, this one came off. And then the top, this looks like a bigger spinner. So I don't know what's going to happen with these. My dad got a pack of them. So I forgot what the price was. And then I saw just them for, look at it a little bit. They're fountains, I think. They're fountains. Yeah, I think they're fountains. But I could be wrong. These could be not safe and sane. I don't know. Saw the individual one. I'm like, this is cute. We should get this. He's like, I got a pack. Buy one get one free. $16. Dream Factory Canon brand. Canon brand fountain. I got two of those. So that's my fireworks stash. My 2019 Memorial Day fireworks stash video. I hope you guys have a good day. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.